You can't bark at the kids.
Well, it's a beautiful day for it. Wonderful. 7:30 in the morning. Where are we going? Today?
Woods!
And then tomorrow?
Mirfield!
It's a bloody hot one today. It's meant to hit 31 degrees. And of course we decided to travel, didn't we? So I've just been shopping and got some kitty litter. I've got a family member, my niece is coming around this morning to say hello before we set off away from Wakefield. And then tonight I think we're going to the woods. And then first thing in the morning, Mirfield. For the first time in about 2 or 3 years we've done it. And it's quite funky, isn't it? It's hot, isn't it, mate? Isn't it hot? It's only just gone 9 o'clock. And I think we've hit 26, 28.7 or something. Midday, it's 28 degrees, just leaving Wakefield.
He's always said two things. And that's cool.
Where are we? Are we in the woods? Are we in the woods? Come on, Gemma, how's the journey been today? Knackering.
Stressful.
And stressful. What's the journey going to be like tomorrow?
Knackering, but less stressful.
So I'm laid on the floor in the woods. Oh, I do love it here. Got Jess at the side of me. Jaeger's just coming out of the boat.
May I ask what happened to that camera? Well, it was in the door and I dropped it.
Wow, you're so tall. So 6 o'clock in the morning. Ooh, nearly fell over. So where are we going, Jem?
Mirfield.
Mirfield.
Homestead of Patrick Stewart.
We're just about to go up the figure of 3. It's our first lock of the second day. First of 8, I think. Right. So when you're in a wide boat, go to the front and push off. and only a gentle push. The weight will keep it going, and it gives you a chance to hop onto the back without falling in, hopefully. Let's get that rope out of the way. And now we're already at an angle. You just need to go forwards. As simple as that. Hello. Hello. If you can see it, but it's awfully nice of the CRT to fix this and dump all of the rubble right along this wall here. That one is a bit torrenty, isn't it? So this is the furthest we've been in a year. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Which lock's this?
I hate this lock.
You hate this lock?
Millbank. Big hit.
Right, what we're going to do, Jaeger? We're going to go in Mum's nemesis lock. Come on, in, go, jump. Good boy. Little chicky chicks. You stay there. Oh mate, did I disturb your mooring? Was this your mooring, was it? You got two little beautiful children. We'll get out your way in a minute. Well, that's handy. Somebody's left the lock open for us. One more lock we don't have to do for today properly. Dewsbury round pound. Just come through here. Starting to get very naturey now. On our first year of boating, that looked beautiful. It took 8 years to get like that. It's a shame. Look at the concentration on the face.
No, I'm trying not to think about the throbbing sensation in my feet.
The throbbing sensation in your feet. Move, ducks, get out the way. Sunny Mirfield, eh? Mirfield. It's a funky place, isn't it, Jaeger? Last time we were here, about 2 years ago. Oof. And you were still young. Come on. You stay close. Wait, not too far. No, not so close to the river. Wait, wait. You done? You done? Wait. Sit. Come here. Come here. Come here. Calm down. Calm down. Good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, you are. Ain't you? He's gone.